Warm greetings from Sydney Marthoma Church. I have fought good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. Now there is in store for me the crown of righteousness, which the Lord, the righteous judge, will award me on that day. And not only to me, but also to all who have longed for his appearing. 2 Timothy chapter 4 verses 7 and 8. Saint Paul has given a sporty frame for his thoughts about successful Christian life. Sport and game have to be brought into a routine as long as they help us to nurture Christian life and discipline. I am greatly delighted to invite you all to Lily's Soccer Stadium on 15th Saturday, October 2022. I appreciate our Sydney Marthoma Edavaka mission for organizing such a grand event as the final day of a series of sport and games done throughout July to October. I strongly believe that having an opportunity for sport and game would definitely cement our relationship, fellowship, and faith as a church community. I am there at the soccer stadium from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. because I love to see our children in soccer jersey and on their foot running after the ball. I understand almost all auxiliary organizations of parish are putting down their tent in order to excite you with a variety of accessories and keep you a sporty environment. Please be at the soccer stadium 1 p.m. on 15th Saturday, October 2022. Thank you. God bless us all.